Well, we're in our green bean patch now, and this is a variety that tends to handle the cool, wet weather a little better than most green beans. This is a type of blue lake green bean that's called Venture. It's done well. I planted this very early, actually. I planted these, if I remember right, it was back in early April. And they've been slowly growing. We've already got some little buds in here where they will be blooming. You will notice the leaves are a little burned. We had a little bit of frost. We dropped to 33 one night, so there still is a little frost damage. Notice how the green beans are a little yellow colored though. The problem here is that I put a lot of mulch down, and underneath this mulch is a layer of leaves. And then underneath those leaves is the mineral soil, the garden soil. The problem when you mulch thickly like this that I've noticed is when things are breaking down and decomposing, there is a short-term nitrogen deficiency with the soil, and that's probably what is causing the issue here, why the beans are a little yellow, because it's still rotting and you still have that deficiency. Once the roots start to get into that mineral soil buried underneath, they will do a lot better, and some of the larger plants are starting to do that. You'll also notice the petunias. I have found that petunias tend to deter a lot of green bean beetles and a lot of insects that like to devour green beans. We've got a few holes in the leaves, but most of the time when I try to plant green beans out here, they are devoured by bugs. So these appear to be helping somewhat. You can also see down here with the peppers, we still have signs of a nitrogen deficiency because the leaves are still a little yellow. And again, that's largely due to the decomposition of all this organic matter in this garden. So with this week's gardening tip and information, I'm meteorologist Chad Evans.